My name's William.
Hi, my name's Harry.
And together we're ChildsPlay.
Oh, you're scaring me. Today we've got a spooky gift for you to review. What is it, boys?
Zombie.
Awesome. It's not
It's
not any type of zombie. It's a zombie blast TM. 3 shots, 6 shots. So like if you look on the back guy.
Can you open this, Mum?
We will.
Look,
You gonna pass me the scissors?
look guys. Like 3 shots you can get that arm off. 6 shots you can get that arm off. 9 shots you can let him fall over. It's awesome. Target sensor. Waiting head. Yay.
Open it up.
Yeah.
And the bottom around.
And
Oh, and it's got those special little plugs that can be difficult.
yeah, plugs are difficult.
This is so awesome.
Okay, so I just had to put in 6 AAA batteries. 4 batteries go into the back of the zombie here, and another 2 go into the gun there. Now to make the sound activate, we've just had to turn the gun on there, and I think we've just got to press that button there to start it. And Harry, you want to turn on the zombie?
Yeah.
It's scary.
Ready?
Yeah.
Have you pressed the button? There we go. Quick, shoot it. Go shoot it 9 times within 30 seconds. Oh! Got rid of the zombie arm. Oh! Oh! We got rid of the other arm. Oh! You got him! Alright, Will, you want to have another turn?
Yep.
Okay, we've turned it on. Whoa! Oh, that's cheating. You've got to go further. Oh, there goes one arm. Oh!
You are the worst zombie ever! Go!
Oh no! Oh! Yay! You got him! Were you a bit scared by him, Harry?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was.
Do you like this spooky toy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's a bit spooky.
Well, I think it's pretty fun. It might be for older kids, I think. Don't you
Yeah.
think? Maybe your age, Will?
Yeah.
So maybe when you're a little bit older, you might enjoy it.
Me
Yeah?
too.
Yeah?
Maybe when I'm 8 I could.
I think it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Except you have to practice it further away, because that's what they say. The further away from the target, the harder it gets. And it can shoot up to 15 feet, which is 4.5 metres. So that would be good practice for you, wouldn't it? Good for all the preppers out there too. Okay, Harry's decided to have a turn. All right, go Harry. Can you shoot it? Quick, you got to shoot it within the 30 seconds. Oh! Uh-oh.
Yes. That is.
Now let's try it this time, boys. Because I say to shoot it within 30 seconds. Let's see what happens if we don't shoot it within 30 seconds.
Try?
Sure.
I can't get aim of him. What did it?
Ah, that's what happens. He just starts laughing.
Game.
All right, so I reckon it's a 9 out of 10 for me. What do you give it out of?
A 6.
A 6 out of 10? What about you, Harry? What do you give
6
it?
out of 10.
You do 6 out of 10
Yeah,
too.
because we're both scared of it.
Okay.
Well, it's fun.
That's a real something.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this spooky Child's Play episode. Please like, share and subscribe with all your friends. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.